moves. Okay, next we're going to talk about the weekly range contraction. All right, as you can see here, when we use the open, high, low, and close bar, okay, this is a graphic depiction. It's very easy to see, at least for me it is, when we're using Power 3. If we're bullish, we're going to be looking at the opening price and then drop down, buying anywhere between the opening price or just a little bit above it, still okay. But mainly looking for a move below the opening price. That's what we're looking for, Power 3 bullish. And when we're bearish, we're looking for the opening price and then a move up to sell or fade that rally and then ride it lower for a down close. Now, that's assuming that we know there's going to be a large range day or a directional bias that lends well to this technique. Power 3 capitalizes on range expansion, so we have to know the likelihood of this phenomenon happening, otherwise we're going to do it wrong. So now, if the opposite of range expansion is contraction, how can we find that? Well, the candlestick chart helps highlight this. So if we look at a candlestick like this, say this is a typical large range day, okay, which would look like something like this open, high, low, close bar here. It could be very close to that in terms of the body portion between the open and the close. So we have the open down here and the close up here if this is a bullish candle. If this was the body of, say, for instance, a Tuesday, and then say Wednesday we had this type of body, we have a smaller bodied candle, which means that we could see a large range day on Thursday or Friday. It's more or less a precursor, if you will, because smaller bodies precede larger bodies. So if we're always looking for action in the marketplace and it's already moving, you're chasing price. So you want to anticipate when price is going to have an explosive or large range or big move or series of big moves. And it's going to happen by studying the bodies. If the bodies are getting smaller, okay, if we see that, there's going to be a directional move in magnitude that's larger than it has been in recent days or recent weeks. Again, depicting the top of the body on here and contrasting it with this one here. So that's the difference between what I'm looking for.